So today I am at Paxton Street, off of Paxton Street in Harrisburg, and this is a trail at Wildwood Park. So it's rainy today. I love walking in the rain. It reduces the crowds, gives me a little peace and quiet that way, and it also reduces the bugs. It is June right now, and the bugs can be bad this time of year. So I was going to talk about why it is that I encourage people to get out and about, even if it's rainy and cold, buggy, whatever. There is evidence galore on the importance of nature and the importance of fresh air, sunlight, what it does to our mood, what it does to our functioning in our daily life. It really is critical for, at least for a lot of people that I know, for helping them feel grounded in their life and improve their well-being. So I try to get out every single day, certainly outside, you know, whether or not that's with children or with myself, just on my own, even if it's just for 5 minutes, getting sunlight, getting fresh air, and taking in nature, I find is really important. One of the reasons why I started these Take a Walk with Me's is we don't have the time to peel away from our busy lives, but we sometimes do have the time to sit and watch a nature video or look at pictures of dreams of places that we'd want to go. Brain science teaches us that even if we listen to nature noises or see a nature video, pictures of nature, our brains light up similarly if we had been in that environment for real. So if you're watching this video, if you're with me on these walks, your brain is actually getting the same chemicals as they would be, they could be, if you were actually coming along a walk with me. So that's just why I decided to do these and hopefully get some benefit. Of course, nothing can entirely compare to physically walking and being present in nature, but we gotta do what we gotta do to get through our busy lives. It's really interesting to me how also how the cities that we live in are laid out, and where you see crime increase and disorder increase, as well as what places in the city are less prone to crime and disorder and violence. If people who live in the city have access to parks and green space, they're less apt to have violent encounters. And if people who are in cancer wards or recovery wards in hospitals have windows facing out to green space. They heal faster. All of this is sort of evidence that we need to incorporate green outdoor space into our life regularly. It's going to certainly help us feel better in the moment, if not prevent sort of wider scale problems that could even be societal or health related. So I asked you, is there a tree you could sit under during lunch instead of inside? You could bring your colleagues outside with you and take your lunch that way. Is there a park you can swing by after picking the kids up from school, just for even 5 minutes? You find benefit. Just got distracted by a bunch of deer. I don't know if you can see them right through. There's one up there. It's really funny sometimes, if we know what's good for us, how little we do of it. I know that's the case for myself, how easy it is to get busy in life, and then all of a sudden the week's gone and I hadn't done the one self-care thing that I knew that I needed to do that week. So to try to combat that, I really encourage you to either set an alarm or put it on your calendar, get it on there for your to-do list. Self-care such as taking a nature walk, and get it on there. Get it established in your routine somehow, even if it's once a week. To get it in there, and you'll be surprised how often you'll start making it a priority. Thanks for walking with me today and hearing a little bit about nature therapy, about walking in nature, the importance of nature in our everyday life. If you had fun and want to continue seeing these videos, please subscribe, and then your notification will come up for you when you come to YouTube that I have a new video out. Take care. Thanks.